This video demonstrates how to replace the license plate light bulbs on a 2015-2020 Cadillac Escalade. These lights are located on the rear liftgate and are essential for legal compliance and visibility. The replacement process is straightforward and can be completed with basic tools in about 15 to 30 minutes. We will show you how to remove and replace them. Before you begin, gather these tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or a trim removal tool to prevent scratches. Optional, dielectric grease to prevent moisture. Important safety precautions: turn off the vehicle to avoid electrical shorts, work in a well-lit area, and use insulated tools to prevent shocks. Carefully pry off the plastic covers using the flathead screwdriver or trim tool. Be gentle to avoid breaking the plastic tabs. Once the cover is removed, you'll see the bulb socket. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from the housing. Pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Insert the new LED bulb into the socket. Confirm that it's the correct type. A 194 LED bulb is standard for this model. LEDs are recommended for longevity. With the new bulb installed, carefully reinsert the bulb socket back into the housing. Twist the socket clockwise until it locks securely in place. Now snap the plastic cover back onto the housing, ensuring it's firmly attached. Close the liftgate to secure the vehicle before testing the lights. Turn on the headlights to test the new license plate lights. Verify both lights illuminate properly. If the light doesn't turn on, remove the bulb, rotate it 180 degrees, and reinsert it. LEDs are polarity sensitive. Apply dielectric grease to the bulb socket to prevent moisture ingress and ensure long-term reliability. If the license plate lights fail frequently, the first step is to inspect the wiring harness for any signs of damage or wear. Moisture buildup in the light housing is a common problem. Clean the socket thoroughly and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. For better performance, consider aftermarket LED upgrades. These provide improved brightness and much longer lifespan compared to original equipment manufacturer bulbs. These upgrades are readily available at local auto stores. Always refer to your vehicle's manual for any model-specific details or requirements.